Counties across New York State have made adjustments following the pause of the administration of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. That decision was made after the FDA and CDC recommended it not be used for the time being until they study extremely rare reports of blood clots. News Channel 34's Karina Capabianca has more on what counties are seeing when it comes to vaccine supply and demand.
As the New York State pause order on the administration of the J&J vaccine remains in place, the wait for further direction from the CDC continues. Only about 500,000 doses of the J&J vaccine have gone into arms out of the more than 12 million doses administered in total. Stephen Aquario with the New York State Association of Counties says the one-shot J&J option was especially helpful for college students and the homebound.
The longer the pause goes on, the more difficult it is for us to meet the needs of the homebound. And that's what was very important here with this. It was really earmarked by the state for homebound residents.
Aquario says counties are working to make do. He says overall, in most counties, there is still a strong demand for the vaccine.
We got to keep encouraging folks to take this vaccine because of this temporary pause now. We don't want that to disrupt the great work and the great progress that we're making in getting these vaccines administered.
Johnson & Johnson, which they paused, was one of the acts of hyper caution. 6 people out of 6 million people had a bad reaction. That's 1 in 1 million.
The rural counties have reported to us that they have seen somewhat of a leveling off of the vaccine need or demand for it. The urban counties still trying to get those shots in arms, and the state will again keep the 7-day use it or lose it approach.
According to the governor's office, more than 40% of New Yorkers have gotten at least one COVID vaccine dose. In Albany, Karina Capabianca.